Canada. Now, nasimulan na namin i-discuss yung unang program. So, the first program to enter is the Immigrant Visa Application. Ang tawag ko dito, Direct Immigrant Visa Application. Bakit direct? Kasi kung ma-approve ka dito, pagpasok mo ng Canada, immigrant ka na. Okay? Wala nang tanong-tanong yan. No? Even if you are still here in your area, no, you are technically a Canadian immigrant na. Now, the question is, ano naman ang mga qualifications niya? No? So, eto na po. Diretsahan na to. Good luck. Number 1, you should have a bachelor's degree. Dapat meron kang 4 na taon na kurso pataas. Anything na bababa sa 4 years, I am really sorry. Hindi ka pwede mag-apply directly as an immigrant. Okay? Now, I want to know, please be honest with me, sino ang may bachelor's degree? Raise your hands. Come on, I just want to know. Okay, we have a lot. Very good. Palakpakan niyo yung mga sarili niyo. Congratulations. Congratulations. Now, may mga nakita kong hindi nag-raise ng hands. Okay lang. Kung wala kayong bachelor's degree, okay na. No? Kung hindi ka pwede dito, baka sa next program ka po pwede. Okay? Na yung may mga bachelor's degree, you're not yet fully qualified. Meron pang 3 qualifications. 4 to lahat. Okay? So, number 2, you should have a minimum of at least a 1-year work experience. O yan lang, 1 year. Kung marami kang years of work, much better. Now, yung work experience mo, hindi kailangan mag-match sa bachelor's degree. Okay? So, for example, graduate ka ng nursing, pero ang trabaho mo, nag-call center agent ka. Okay lang. Walang problema yan. Okay? Now, number 3, you should belong to the top 2,000 job categories. Ano yan? Now, ganito lang yan. Si Canada, namimili din. Okay? Ang gusto ni Canada, yung papasok sa bansa nila ay may skill sa listahan nila. That's why nag-release si Canada ng 2,000 kategorya. Ang gusto ni Canada, meron kang kahit isa man lang sa 2,000 na yan. Okay? Now, huwag nyo nang problemahin itong part na to. Bakit? Lahat kayo dito, pati sarili ko, meron na tayong mga categories. Okay? So, you guys are okay with this. Huwag nyo nang problemahin yan. Alright? 2,000 job categories kaya yan. Di ba? Grabe naman kahit isa wala ka. Di ba? Ikaw na siguro yung pinakawawa. Okay? Now, number 4. We all know, alam naman natin na mga tao sa Canada nag-i-English. Di ba? Tayo, of course, marunong naman tayo mag-English. But Canada just wants to make sure that the foreigner, kasi we're considered foreigners, that the foreigner who enters their country can communicate and understand them. So they requested us that we take a certain English exam. What do you call that exam? Huh? Very good. You need to pass and you need to take the IELTS exam. IELTS, ibig sabihin, International English Language Testing System. There are 4 components sa IELTS. We have reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Okay? Now, alam ko maraming takot sa IELTS. Please do not be scared sa IELTS. Hindi nyo kailangan magkaroon ng perfectong English. This is just basic English. Conversational English. Alam nyo, ang dami namin mga kliyente na nasa Canada na bulol-bulol yung English nila. Pero pumasa. Why? Please do not take the IELTS exam if you are not ready. Please